Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Revolve, Fillet, Shell, and Extrude. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this 3 lines here. This line has 50 millimeters of length, this one has 50 millimeters of length. The angle between this line and this one is 60 degrees, and this line here has 75 millimeters of length. So open the Inventor and go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 50 millimeters. And create another line here and another one here. Select this line here and this one and select equal to make this line with the same length. Let me move this dimension a little bit and go to dimension. This line here has 75 millimeters and the angle between these two lines here is 60 degrees. And now we will create this line here. This line has 25 millimeters and we will create these 2 lines to close the profile. So select the line again, click here at this point, make a line here with 25 millimeters and close here. Just make a dimension here. We made this profile, so finish the sketch. And now go to Revolve features. The profile is this sketch and the axis, select this line here. The angle 360 degrees and press OK. We made this one. And now we'll make a fillet here and here. All the fillets here is 10 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet. The radius is 10 millimeters. And select this edge here, this edge, and this one. And press OK. And now the thickness of this body is 5 millimeters. The thickness here. So to make this, we'll use the shell. So go to shell features. And here we will select the face that we will remove. That is the top face. And the thickness here is 5 millimeters. And the direction here is inside. And press OK. We made this one. And now we have a cut here and here. So this cut is a circle with 10 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this circle and the midpoint here is 60 millimeters. So go to sketch and here we will select the right plane. And here select a circle. Make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter and press OK. And press F7 to show the sketch. And go to dimension, select the center of the circle and the midpoint. The distance here is 60 millimeters. And make sure that this point is vertical with the midpoint. So here, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point here. No, sorry, it's horizontal. Select this point and this point here. The distance here is 60 millimeters. Press OK. And here, finish the sketch. Go to extrude again and select this profile. The direction, select the symmetric, and the distance here, select it through all. And the output, select the cut. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.